What's up, guys? Good evening. All right, moving into the evening time. Let's see here what we got going on. Looks like we got a little push up to the 60s. The 60 held. Looks like possibly another run for that 40. Looks like we got a little 5-minute bull flag setting up here. Get that little breakout. What's that above? What, 46? All right, let's see what account we can trade on this evening. Let's see. We got a couple 25Ks that we can roll on. So we did pass another 50K this evening when we weren't streaming. I tried to take a funded account trade, but man, it just would not get going. So we went to break even. So it just came back and stopped us out for $1 profit. So we got these 25Ks, the ones we bought before the 90% sale ended. So that's why it sucks picking those up sometimes. But man, I'd rather pick them buddies up right now instead of, when they're no longer available. $53, $50, $73. All right, we have to lower this risk down so much because that's a little too much, guys. We only want to shoot on 5 micros. Let's see where all my go. So we didn't quite clear out this wick. You would think that I kind of want to see what happened at this midsection here. See if we'll break through this and maybe have a pullback again. Looks like we have everything kind of crossing over. Let's see what the day kind of brought us. I mean, we had a huge sell-off after my crap crashed right here. And we were in this trade somewhere in here, and it just went blank on us. What is that? Pull back 200. Man, we pulled back 200 points. That was a 200-point move, guys. It is insane. Then we had another 100-point pullback here. Then consolidating. So hopefully we're just kind of consolidating for a big move for the close. Higher lows. Higher lows. Higher lows. So you really don't want to see. Maybe if this breaks this and kind of shoots for these highs from earlier this morning. I mean, we're literally just back into the 15 minutes. What's up, David? You're looking for a huge move up? Yeah, I mean, maybe. I'm not really sure if this trend will continue. We did break out of this trend that we had going up for most of the last couple of hours. Usually when you get that move up, a lot of times you'll get that break past that like this, then that sharp move up. But everything's kind of crossing over the 200 moving average right now. So, you know, if that's the case, everything means we're kind of just pointing down at the moment. Let's try a little short here and see. If it don't get moving because it looks like it wants to curl, we're just going to kind of test the waters a little bit. Usually these 2 o'clock trades don't usually work very well for me for some reason. I don't know what it is. Ooh, I don't know. We may pop back out of this. I don't know if I like this or not. I thought once we tapped that 20, we'd have a push back down, but we didn't. Might have to start out power hour in the hole. What's up, Trader G? If we can't break through this 9 EMA here, we'll probably cut it short. Because if we can't break this, that means we're probably heading back up. There's been some tough price action today. Unless you just caught that really good move, you know, it's been tough price action. go to break even just because how choppy it is. We're up 5 points on it, but we're looking for 10. And it may come back and stop us out for complete break even. You caught enough long earlier? Nice. All right, so kind of got caught back for break even. Unfortunately, we got up 6 or 7 points, but didn't take anything off of it. So we did pass another eval today after my stuff crashed this morning. I'm not really sure what happened, but for some reason everything crashed this morning on me. And we still may move down from here. So we're on Bewley's. We traded Apex this morning. We were able to get back in the green on Apex too. We started trading minis after my stream ended. So we passed another 50K. So we're up 53,137, so that puts us over the the threshold there by $68. And this is the 10th day trading this account, so we've been trading this account for 10 days. So now we have these little 25Ks that we had bought right before the 90% eval. So those are the ones we're trading now, and where they're sitting at, we got 477, 385, and 348. I don't know what it is, man. Every time, like all day, it just seems like whenever you're trying to like catch the downward knife or whatever, it's just every trade is just a grind. Like every trade, like it's been like that all day. Which I knew in the beginning when trading, this was going to be a really tough day to trade. Unless you just caught that good entry, I guess. What's up, Charles? How's your day going? If I didn't go to break even, we probably could have got our 10 points, it looked like, or it would have been close. I feel like we want to retest those 40s again. That's the next major support level for the ES is that 5740. And so that's kind of where I thought we were going when I got into this short. The classic Adam fell breakdown. What level were you at, trader? Oh, yeah, that 28 to 30 was the really that was the knife fall. If we broke the knife fall, which is at 28 to 30, the bulls have completely lost control 100%. It's all shorts. So you're working on a big account. Whew. I've only ever traded one big account once before. I did good on the eval, but once I got it funded, I didn't do so great, Charles. So we tried to take a trade on the old funded account earlier, and it just would not go. So I went to break even. We only covered $1. So no funded account love today, guys. We just stayed away from funded. It's been eval only today. Kind of want to see what's going to happen once we get at this session mid here. That's our 50% pullback area. A lot of times we'll have either a bounce or a breakout below this level here. Nice. All right, so we did get below that 50%. Man, do I want to try that? If we can pull back, I'd like to get in on that 50 mission set at the 20s here. I just don't want to jump in too early. All right, well, we're going to give it a whirl and see. I don't like my entry so far away from the non-EMA because super high risk right here, guys. Super high risk. Back above the session mid will probably kill it. Pretty good, Bear. Shit. Not a fan whenever we get in shorts and they struggle to move down. I thought that was going to be the... It just looks so weak right now. I thought that was going to be the push. Woo! Damn. Oh, I thought we were going to get that freaking push down hard. As long as we stay below the 20s, I feel comfortable staying in this. But as long as we get back above the 20s, we'll have to look into killing it. What are we at on the ES? ES is at what, 47? Come on, mid-session. All right, so all right, we're still staying below it. All right, so it looks like we're going to get stopped out on this one, guys. If we get stopped out, we'll look for another entry if it pushes up in there. Then that'll be it on that account. Just one trade and only. Or one more trade and only. Don't really want to see the support above our 50% pullback. Ah, shit. We got a curl. All right. So I think that cost us like $100 or something, because we're just on 5 micros. So yeah, 103 on that one. But I feel like we could get it back. What's up, Rob? Oh, yeah, she's dirty today. That's why we're trading evals only today there, my guy. We'll try the short one more time. If it fails this time, then blah, blah, blah. If this trade ends up being a loser, we'll have to switch accounts because that'll be back-to-back losses on this. What's up, Andy? How are you doing today? Not looking too pretty again, guys. Kind of getting a little bit of curl on our EMAs here. You're down big on a couple evals. Hey, man, that's what the evals are for. You know, it's for your mistake trading is basically what I look at. Evals are for, you know. Then whenever you're trading your funded, that's when you just trade your very best setups. Dang. I want to see if the 50 and 200 hold. I just don't want to get stopped out. Come on, we need the 50 EMA to hold here. Woo. We're going super heavy with this account, guys. We're hoping the 200 is going to hold here. we definitely do not want to lose the 45s here. We're trying to DCA into this trade, guys. We don't do this a whole bunch, but we thought we would give it a try. Damn, that's going to suck if we cannot get below that 20 freaking EMA there. I want to see at least the... If we can get this mid-session push again, I'll go to break even. Damn it. That was my opportunity to get break even with this trade, but... All right. All right. Woo! We had to work that trade a little bit, guys. We just had to work it a little bit. That's all we had to do. All right. We at least, unfortunately, that was a break-even trade because, look, guys, we had to get our money back. We lost on that one. Oh, no, for some reason we're still in that trade. Let me close that. I didn't know. I thought that was all my contracts. So we ended up with 24 bucks. So, whew, nice. What's up, methodical man? All right. We're going to knock this baby back down to 4 micros and do a 2 and 2. How about that? We're going to take the risk back off and we'll look for another short. You like the longs, 91.40 equal highs? Whew. All right, so we're at the 3:30 hour. We got 30 minutes left, guys. Mic sounds loud. I don't know. It's about 3/4 usually where it's always at. Maybe it's because I'm talking a little loud, methodical man. Sounds overexposed. How about now? I can't make everybody happy, methodical man. You know how that is. Can't make everybody happy. Better. I just turned it down a little bit. This was the short. This was the short we were looking for earlier, guys. Congrats if anybody stayed in the short. I wish I'd have taken more profit. Or no, I should have gave it. I shouldn't have left my. Had a little bit bigger of a stop loss. That's what happens. I moved it to break even too fast after we hit our main target. Goodness. What a 200 bounce this was. Look at this 200 EMA. Bounced the 200 EMA and sold off freaking, 40 points. Man. So much left on the table here, guys. So much left on the table. So there's not really a lot for me to do right now. I just got to be patient and wait for a pullback. What's this selling off here, man? The 5-minute candle is just dumping right now, guys. Look at this 5-minute candle. It's just boom, boom. Should run into a little resistance, I'm assuming, right here. Should run into some resistance right there. Let's see what happens if we get a bounce. This is a super gamble trade. This is see if we get a bounce off of the 200 here. I mean the 100. So we're in the trade for 5 points. That's it. So what is that? 40 bucks. We're in the trade for 40 bucks. All right, so that just kind of took the profits around we had earlier. We're down to negative 13. We thought maybe we would get a bounce off of that 100 number and where we would have to pull back in here to our EMAs. But it looks like we're just going to continue selling. Man, I really... So we're all the way back to the previous session open at the 85 level here. I mean, I feel like we got to have a retracement here. I mean, you're long. I don't know if I think I'd rather just wait for the pullback for myself, methodical man. I gave it one little whirl there, and I don't want to keep trying that over and over. No real good setup there. Just you're just trying to, thinking maybe this is the bottom so for us to pull back around. I don't like the fact that we got below this level here. Wow, we're just dumping, dumping, dumping. Wow, we just sold right through the previous session. Okay, you would think that we'd get some kind of pullback here. Man, is it just going to keep selling the rest of the evening? Not going to really offer us a actual good entry? Woo, it just, where's this? Let's see, what is that? Was that the 15-minute? Oh, man, that was the 15-minute re-break, guys. I just noticed that. It doesn't look like it wants to go back up, guys. Might just be selling off the rest of the evening. Come on. Let's get back up there. Get back up there. We need this. Need that level right there to pop there. Right there at the 90s. We need it to pop, hold. Hmm. I don't know if the longs are going to happen right now. To me, it just looks like we're still going to continue lower. Where's the ES at? I'm sorry, I didn't look. Oh, the ES is at the 40. Okay. Okay. Good deal. If we can't regain that 40, yeah, we're looking for shorts, definitely. Glad you said something because I forgot all about the ES over here. trying to get through this freaking. Looking for the 20 touch here. I'm not liking that it's taking too long. It's just taking too long to push. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. We hit the freaking 9 point. Son of a B. Damn it. Oh, well. Just couldn't get above that freaking 20 there. Was hoping for maybe a push back up to their opening range low. Just above this 20. Methodical man, did you at least get your 10 points out of that, or are you still holding? That's probably the pullback retest for the move higher. That's probably going to give us the 20 touch there, this candle here. All right, so that was the target we're looking for first target. We only got maybe we can get a pullback retest and, maybe a long off of this area if this holds here. You got stop for break even. Damn. Yeah, same here, man. We still took a little bit. We still took $50 off of that trade, but man, I was hoping for the $100. Though the ES just had a pretty deep reaction off of that 20 there. All right, here comes the 50 touch, I bet you next. We got 5 more minutes for the death candle, so. Guys, if you're new to joining us, I do trade Power Hour really aggressive with a 90% eval. So you feel like we're going higher? thing is that thing is definitely trying to fake some folks out. Better be careful, guys. Oh shit. Woo. Mm. Just trying to be patient here, guys. We still got about 2.5 minutes before we're trying to get into this trade here. Let me see what the higher time frames look like at the moment. I don't know. To me, so just be careful. Uh, what do you mean by reading? Like a books on trading, Charles? Yeah, if you go to the Discord and go to the bottom, there's a whole bunch of books in there on the bottom in the Discord. I'm not sure which ones are good or bad. I don't really read or listen to a lot of those books. I know there's a lot in there, but I don't know which ones will be the best one, for yourself. I mean, it might just be a Google question like, what does the recommend reading as far as trading goes? Kind of want to see what happens below this level here. This is the previous session open here at the 97s. Whew. Oh, shoot, we're at the 50 candle. I lost track of time. Not really a lot on the dev candle here. Oh, shoot. I went way over leverage. I didn't realize I was in that for that many candles. That's not looking too pretty for the shorts there. You want to see it just to sell off and dump. You don't want to see it to be pulling back on us. Or you want to see this area here hold for us. Damn. Come on, 15 minutes. We're watching the 15 minutes over here too. It looks like it wants to move lower. Come on, at least give me the 80 and we'll go to break even past the 80. Just because we're in a little heavier than I like to be in. For some reason I thought I was just in for 4 micros. I don't know how the hell I ended in for freaking 10. As right now, if this is a losing trade, this will be a red power hour today, guys. Shoot, I was looking at, I bet you. Man, I saw this on the 15-minute chart. I thought we would at least clear out the 70s here. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to. Damn it. That's going to stop me out because I can't risk any more than what they're already risking. All right. So I guess that's going to put us in the red for today, guys. Is this thing going to move back down after it stops me out? Man, this thing's going to... I don't know if these are just freaking fake outs. I feel like they are. We're at the session open. That's where we're kind of stuck at. Let's see if we're going to get the dump here. What time is it? We still got 3 more minutes left. We're still, what, about $50 in the hole right now? We're at the previous session open, sitting up at the 80s, so I would think that if the 80s hold, we continue lower. Let me see where that's sitting at. That 80, 82, 83. Still got about 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes. Just kind of watching this 83 level and see if we can hop in this short before we close here. It's kind of what we're watching here, that 83 level here. All right, this is going to be the last trade of the day. Oh, we're on the wrong. Oh, we got lucky there. We thought we may get the sell off there at the end. It's been a tough close, guys, or a tough power hour. Really no big sell off here. Methodical man, how did you do during that power hour? Did you do okay? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Like it messed up my order. God dang it. I hit that buy button back down here and it filled me up here. Look, I don't even have none of my stop losses on there or anything. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to finish in the red today on our one of our evals. So we're going to be down 115 after taking too many trades. Like that's why I tell you guys that we trade super aggressive with some of these 90% evals during power hour. We did pass one more eval today, which is a 50K. We finally made it to the 53,163. So this was Bulinox. Apex, I think we tried a funded a trade day, but I think we're down like 30 or 40 bucks or something like that. And so after that, we just kind of put it away. We also made our profit back on our Apex account. Come on. All right, here's the Apex we're trading. This is the funded account that we passed last week. It's sitting at 26,513. I just got to pay the funded fee. We're up $600 on this eval here. And today we lost $39 on our funded account. We went in with 2 micros. We weren't trying to get a lot just because the day was a really hard day of trading. I mean, don't get me wrong. They had moves, but man, it just seems like every time I'd enter, we just went into chop. So, but sometimes you just have days like that. So those were old accounts that should reset soon. So we're still sitting at 744 or 740 on our funded. We were at 800 before we took this little bitty L here. But that's all right. We'll just look for a trade tomorrow. You're at break even? Nice. You're at break even today, Methodical Man? Nice. I don't know. What do you think? We're going to finish selling off? It's just going to be at their close? Oh, there's no reason for me to jump in here. We just have to sit here and watch. Tomorrow, guys, I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know if we have any news tomorrow. What do y'all think? Do we have any news tomorrow leading up to the election? That's U.S. election. Let's see what the calendar has to offer tomorrow. No news, no news, no news. All right. All right. No news tomorrow, guys. So it could be another moves here and there, but choppy along the way. So, and on top of that, it's the U.S. election. So, both presidents has different business aspect, which, they support different things as far as business goes. So it can affect each market differently. Just have to wait and see. So I think I've heard some people talking about they're going to be trading the election hours. Maybe I'm not really sure if that's a thing. Wasn't streaming last year during the election, so I don't remember if the market is super like volatility leading up to while the election is happening. But we'll be here to find out with you guys if you like. We may even try streaming during tomorrow night to see. All right, guys, everyone have a good weekend or a good evening, and we'll see you guys in the morning or talk to you guys in the morning. Thank you.